Make sure the device has power. Plug in the Bluetooth, HC06 Bluetooth module into these 4 pins. It will start flashing. That means it's ready to be paired. This row of pins is serial 3 for Arduino. Type the Windows key, Bluetooth, Bluetooth in other devices, or click over here to Bluetooth devices, add Bluetooth device, add device, Bluetooth, select HC06. The default password is 1234. Before you connect, open the device manager, Windows key DEV, device manager. Take note of COM ports that currently exist, 5, 3, and 4. When you connect, it added COM 6 and 7. The lower number that was added is the one you will typically want to use. Open MATLAB. In the add-ons drop-down, manage add-ons, Rensselaer Arduino Support Package Library, open folder, navigate into RASP-Lib, copy the Balance App folder to your Documents MATLAB folder. Open the balance code. Double-click Serial Connect, Tune, and Plot. Verify that there are 6 variables coming from the computer, and there are initial values for that. Verify that there's 2 values coming from the Arduino, 2 values from the Arduino, and we're using serial port 3. Click the Deploy button. You can click on the View Diagnostics tab to watch the progress. Once the code is downloaded to the device, then you can close all of these windows. Open the Balance app, press the green play button. Since we're using Bluetooth and the code's already downloaded, we can disconnect the cable, turn the battery on, then click Connect to COM port. Once it's connected, verify that the flashing red light is no longer flashing. Here we can see that the light is still flashing. That means that this was not the correct COM port for the Bluetooth. So we'll go back into the device manager. And the other COM port that was installed was COM port 7. So we'll try COM port 7. Disconnect and then connect to COM port 7. Indicates it's connected. Verify by observing that the flashing red light is now solid red. Now we can run the balance code by turning the battery on, or the battery, ensuring the battery is on, the motor driver is on. Press the reset button, hold the reset button, release it, hold it for 1 second. You'll feel it start balancing, it calibrates the gyro, and then you can release it. The balance code is running, we're connected, so we can plot data. Plots the wheel angle and the pendulum angle. We can stop this. It indicates that the variable is stored in a variable and in a file. We can use plot fdat to plot the data. We could change the gains by sending different gain values to the device by clicking Send Data. It will show you what data packet was sent to the device. We can also use these buttons to control the device. Forward, backward, by clicking on them, left, and then right. You can also use your keyboard. To use your keyboard, click anywhere in this window, and then I'm pressing my keyboard keys, back, right, and as I press my keyboard, you can see which keys light up and shows you which ones I'm pressing. So we can use my keyboard to control the device. You can also observe the packets and information that's being sent to the device. You can see that the forward and turn signals that are going to the device. Finally, we can change the limits on the speed and the limits on the turning speed so that it responds much faster. And we could, of course, try to make it do some cool things. And it still works pretty well. And that's it for the overview of the balancing app.